No surprise here, the heat advisories are continuing across the region, and those are going to go through at least Wednesday. But, these are almost certainly going to be extended by the National Weather Service because the heat isn't changing. In fact, our triple-digit weather is going to last through at least the next 10 days. Yes, it is 100 plus on the entirety of that 10-day forecast. And as that goes on, the heat index during the afternoon is going to be 105 plus, which is why we're almost certainly going to see those extensions of the heat advisories. And as we go through the next 10 days, nothing expected as far as showers and storms. Not a drop. We had maybe a couple drops here and there this afternoon, and that could be the last we see of any kind of anything in the region for several days. That could have come to an end this afternoon. For the map, again, nothing really changed. The heat advisory continues for all of central Texas. And like I said, don't focus too much on the expiration date because this is likely going to be extended. And this is reminding you all that the heat index in the afternoon is going to be 105 plus, which means you want to be taking extra care to keeping those fluids coming, keeping hydrated, staying in the shade if you do have to be outdoors for prolonged periods of time, and wear that light, loose-fitting clothing. And the reason I think we're going to see more heat advisories is because, like I said, the heat index is going to be remaining in that 105 to 109 range for the next few days, maybe even briefly 110 in some areas. Now, that could warrant an excessive heat warning, but we'll have to see if that is what the National Weather Service decides to do over the next few days. But either way, incredibly toasty. Overnight lows falling down to 79 to 80 degrees, maybe 78 in a couple spots, and then high temperatures tomorrow right back to anywhere between 100 and 103. So certainly quite warm. And those kinds of temperatures are going to be throughout the rest of this 10-day forecast. Not much movement there. And while these will be the actual temperatures, just know that it will feel hotter than that each and every afternoon. And notice it's nothing but sunshine and clouds, no rain out there for the next 10 days.